So for today's video, we are going to unbox and review the MEROSS Smart Mini Plug 2-in-1. Before we proceed on the unboxing and review of the MEROSS Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1, I would like to give thanks to our friends from MEROSS for sending us this product to be reviewed. I will be putting down on the description box or up here a link if you want to buy this product in Amazon or in MEROSS website. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review of the MEROSS Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1. Before we proceed on the unboxing, first we will explore the details listed on the box of the MEROSS Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1. On the front, as you can see, it works with Apple HomeKit. All of the products of MEROSS works great with Apple HomeKit. Also, it works with Amazon A and Google Assistant. This QR code, you will scan this so that you can install the MEROSS app on your phone. You can download it in the Play Store or on iOS. On the side of it, so details, I will not read this anymore. On top, so yeah, just a barcode. So these are the details of the smart plug. This version is the Japan version. It is 100 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 15 amperes, and handle up to 15 amperes of power. Any appliance that you plug. So make sure that it will not exceed 15 amperes, and also the wattage, power consumption. It can handle up to 1,500 watts of power. The size of it is 140 by 37 by 30 millimeters. Smart plug can only connect to a 2.4 gigahertz wireless network. 1 year warranty on it. That is the box of the MEROSS Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1. So let us now unbox the MEROSS Smart Mini Plug, the smart plug, and I think that's it. This is everything inside the box. So you have the smart plug, the MEROSS details manual, and this document. 7 things you need to know about HomeKit. On the front, there are 2 buttons, left and right. This one will lit up when you plug it on the socket. QR code if you want to scan and to add the application. And then the name, Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1. Model number, amperage, 100 volts, 1,500 watts MADE, or up to 1,500 watts this plug can handle. By the way, it's made out of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. Quite heavy also, it has a weight on it. And I really like the form factor because it's not that thick compared to other smart plugs in the market. Let's try to set up this one with the application. We are now going to set up the MEROSS Smart Mini Plug. As you can see, this is just a temporary setup just for our test setup. This is in extension cord. We are now going to add this on the HomeKit application first. So let's open HomeKit, add accessory, that's scan. Okay, it detected. So add to home. So it detected it as an outlet. So let's wait for it to connect to the outlet. Okay, it has already detected the outlet. So let's put this first on the bedroom because it is just a test. The name, that's just same, and then outlet. So it is automatically labeled as outlet and outlet 2, and done. So yeah, that is how easily add this on Apple HomeKit. But in our house, we are not using Apple HomeKit, so we are going to add this to our Google Assistant ecosystem. Okay, let's open this one. As you can see, there is the manufacturer, and you can open it in the application. So this is the native app of MEROSS. So I have already other MEROSS light bulbs in our house installed. We just add this one. So on the upper right, click the add sign, and it already detected the smart plug installed. Let's add. Okay, it's already add, and then it turned on and off. Let's refresh the home page of MEROSS. So let's wait for the plug to. Okay, the plug already surfaced. Below on the home page of the MEROSS application, you can see the smart plug. It is labeled as switch 1 and switch 2. So on the application of MEROSS, unlike the HomeKit, you can turn on and off both of the plugs simultaneously. Okay, just by pressing this one, or you can turn on and off it individually, and it is very responsive, and I really like that one. Other features on the MEROSS app, so you can see the Wi-Fi signal on how strong So it has a poor Wi-Fi signal. So I'll just relocate this later on a location in which a good Wi-Fi signal will be detected. Basically, that's it. That's the smart plug option. There are no monitoring for your power consumption on monthly power consumption. Let's connect this one with our Google Assistant. Okay. It's already linked. Okay, let's go to our Google Assistant. Works with Google. Go to MEROSS. Check for new devices. Agree. Let's wait if it can detect the smart plug. Okay, that's it. Under bedroom, you can check the newly added plugs. Same on the native MEROSS application, it detected 3 smart plugs, unlike the HomeKit, in which it only detected 2 plugs. So basically, that's it for the installation and setup process of the MEROSS Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1. Basically, that's it on the setup process of the MEROSS Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1. So it's very easy to set up in HomeKit, and it's very easy also to set up, to add it to MEROSS application and connect it to your Google Assistant. So let's go on the pros and the cons. So even if MEROSS sent me this product to be reviewed, I will be very honest to you guys on what are the things that I really like, the pros, and the cons that I don't like regarding this product. So let's go on first on the pros. This is very cheap, so the price for this is very competitive. It's around, here in Japan, it's around 3,000 yen plus, so around $30, and you will get already a smart plug with 2 outlets. So this is a 2-in-1, and the form factor of it, I really like it. So it's thin, and it doesn't hinder if you are going to plug this on the wall socket, so it doesn't hinder the other plug above or below it, so you can still plug other appliances to it. I really like about this one is the ease on how to connect to your HomeKit and to your MEROSS application and to Google Assistant. So other pro for me is that you can insert appliances up to 15 amperes and up to 1,500 watts, so it can cover most of your appliances. A warning, please do not plug appliances in which it has a large electricity consumption, like example of those appliances, washing machine, hair iron, or even for the clothes, iron for the clothes. If you want a smart plug for higher wattage appliances, MEROSS also sell those smart plugs, so I will just put it down on the description box for the heavy duty smart plug. The only con that I see on this product is that it has no power monitoring option in the application. So unlike the SwitchBot smart plug, you can monitor your consumption during monthly and daily basis. I really like that feature in SwitchBot. Everything else, it is very good. Yeah, this is a highly recommended product. You cannot find smart plugs that are dual in the market right now. I really like that one also, so I forgot that one. So that is an additional pro for me. That's it for the unboxing and review of the MEROSS Smart Plug Mini 2-in-1. And before we end, I would like to give thanks to our friends from MEROSS for sending me this product to be reviewed. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below any thoughts or ideas or any questions. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Do not forget to click that subscribe button down below. So I think that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.